Velo value expectation synopsis. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Velo in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $0.1667 mark, or so they fundamentally thought. The especially normal extended cost for Velo in 2030 in every way that really matters is supposed to by and large be $0.0721, with fundamentally expected change somewhere in the range of $0.0696 and $0.0821 in an unobtrusive manner. The negative cost expectation for Velo in 2040 is $0.000042, with an in every way that really matters, likely especially high of $0.000052, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Long-haul investigation recommends that Velo cost might actually flood to $0.000068 by 2050, with a likely reach somewhere in the range of $0.000064 and $0.000073, which generally is very huge. As of barely the most recent update, Velo by and large is exchanging at around $0.0058. Starting around 06 January 2024, Velo generally is exchanging at $0.0058 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 3.22% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which especially is genuinely huge. Velo explicitly has a very complete market cap of $43,113,582, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $35,862,455, which in a real sense is very critical. This makes Velo certainly positioning at 554 in the cryptographic money market in a huge way. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Velo cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Velo basically be truly worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Velo an essentially wise venture or worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Velo cost especially outperform its unsurpassed high, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking? These in a real sense are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future. Velo value expectation 2024, as per the Velo figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Velo cost explicitly is supposed to sort of cross a truly normal value level of $0.0071, the normal genuinely least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to in a real sense be $0.0068, which especially is very huge. Besides, Velo can basically arrive at an especially greatest value level of $0.0084, or so they generally thought. Velo value expectation January 2024, Velo cost is supposed to in a real sense reach between $0.0047 to $0.0054 in January 2024. While the genuinely normal cost of Velo for the January fundamentally remains around $0.0052. Velo value forecast February 2024. The cost for Velo in February 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.0051 and $0.0056 in a for the most part significant manner. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $0.0053, which sort of is genuinely huge. Velo value expectation Walk 2024. Concerning Walk 2024, Velo cost truly is figured to especially arrive at an all things considered, most reduced cost of $0.0052. The Velo cost could sort of arrive at a greatest cost of $0.0059, with the fundamentally normal expected cost around $0.0054, or so they especially thought. Velo value figure April 2024. The Velo cost for April 2024 may really arrive at any rate worth of $0.0054, while the truly greatest gauge cost explicitly is around $0.0062, or so they generally thought. The especially normal cost for Velo is anticipated to truly reach $0.0056 in April 2024, which for the most part is very critical. Velo value expectation May 2024, Velo cost really is supposed to by and large reach between $0.0055 to $0.0064 in May 2024, while the for the most part normal cost of Velo for the May truly remains around $0.0057. Velo value expectation June 2024, The cost of Velo in a real sense is anticipated to essentially reach at the very least worth of $0.0057 in June 2024. Exhibiting that will Velo cost in every practical sense outperform its untouched high, or so they thought. The Velo cost could truly arrive at a by and large most extreme worth of $0.0066, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.0059 all through 2024, or so they in a real sense thought. Velo value estimate July 2024. In July 2024, the greatest cost for Velo could truly stretch around $0.0069. So in the event that you essentially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Velo cost expectation end of 2024, what will Velo in a real sense be truly worth in 2024 in a very significant manner? Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in July 2024 really is $0.0058, with a typical cost of $0.0061, which generally is genuinely huge. Velo value gauge August 2024. The Velo cost for August 2024 may especially arrive at any rate worth of $0.0060, while the in every way that really matters greatest determined cost explicitly is around $0.0072, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The genuinely normal cost for Velo really is especially anticipated to by and large reach $0.0062 in August 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Velo value figure September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Velo by and large is supposed to for the most part be at around a kind of least of $0.0062, amazingly. Velo cost can especially arrive at a by and large limit of $0.0075, with the typical cost of $0.0064 in United States dollars in a truly significant way. Velo value expectation October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Velo cost by and large is gauged to fundamentally arrive at a scarcely the most minimal cost of $0.0064, exhibiting how Velo value expectation rundown examiners project a bullish pattern for Velo in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $0.1667 mark, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Velo cost could arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $0.0077, with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $0.0067 in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Velo value gauge November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Velo certainly is estimated to explicitly be at around a very least worth of $0.0068 in a for the most part large manner. The Velo value worth can generally arrive at a really limit of $0.00